Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Plaza Home Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Plaza Home Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in plazahomemortgage.com and make a search. The official page of Plaza Home Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Choose the account that you are trying to log in from the options at the top left corner of the page and tap on it. Here I'm gonna go with broker login. On the next page, enter your client ID, username and password associated with your Plaza Home Mortgage account and tap on login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Plaza Home Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.